If you're seeing this book is either missing content or contains invalid content error on your iPhone, don't worry, we're going to show you how to fix it. This error typically occurs when there is an issue with the ebook file, whether it's due to a corrupted download, file format incompatibility, or a problem within the iBooks app itself. Here is how to resolve it. Solution 1. Update the app and re-download the book. Open the Books app, select Home, tap Profile, tap Update. If you find any update, then update it. After that, find the problematic book in your library. Tap and hold the book, then select Delete. Go to the Purchased section and download the book again. Solution 2. Check for iOS app and updates. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update to check for any available iOS updates. If you get any update, then update it. Solution 3. Remove and re-add the Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Sign back in with your Apple ID and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Sync the book with iCloud. Open Setting, tap Profile, tap iCloud, tap See All, scroll down, toggle off Books, wait for some time, turn it back on. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the book is either missing content or contains invalid content error on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let us know in the comments below.